You are watching One India News YouTube channel. As Mahendra Singh Dhoni announced stepping down as India's limited overs skipper, international cricket fraternity hailed him as one of the greatest captains of all time. Former England skipper, Michel Vaughan, described Dhoni as one of the greatest captains to have ever led a cricket team. Australia's former captain Michael Clarke, who himself quit shorter format after winning 2015 World Cup, showered accolades on Dhoni, saying he still has a lot to offer to Indian cricket. That's all in this news. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India YouTube channel.